Hey guys, it's Baskal here. Today we're going to review the Makita HM1203C Demolition Hammer. Now, we ended up buying the tool instead of renting it. I'll be reviewing the tool, the pros and cons of the tool, and the value between buying and renting. So our Makita tool, as you can tell, definitely is getting some use out of it. I gotta make sure to tell these guys to clean their tools. So what's awesome about this tool, it has a side handle as well, an easy on-off. It's about 20 pounds of weight, so it does a lot of the work yourself. You do not want to put too much pressure, because then the function of the machine, it's smart, it actually is made to do a lot of the work for you. So put it in, apply a light amount of pressure, and let it do the work. Otherwise, you will be straining yourself because it is a 20-pound tool. It came with one bit, which is the pointed bit, and it came with a greaser. Make sure you always grease your bits before you install them. Came with the pointed bit. And we bought two additional bits. They're normally between $20 to $50 a piece. The different bits will help in different applications. When we cut out the floor over there, we used this flat chisel bit to get through and bust out the floor evenly to rip out big chunks of cement. I prefer using this one to bust open the floor. We just chiseled out the floor over there for the plumbing, and when we did the channel, I used this piece to chop up the cement in square cubes so I'd be able to lift them out easier. There's also other tools that we've used to bust out the holes there for the AC and for venting for the bathroom vent. It does come with a greaser, because you should grease your bits before using them. Otherwise, you're gonna overheat your bit and you're not gonna get long life out of your tool. The tool normally comes with about 5 years manufacturer's life, and because of the high quality of a Makita tool, you'll be able to have many more years of use after that. There are many people that actually can repair these tools. So for a few $100s, you can get it repaired and get probably another 5 years of life out of it. So let's talk about the difference between owning the tool or renting. To rent the tool is about $250 for the week. Now, if you want to make sure that you get damage protection, you have to pay that for the insurance. You also have to pay for the additional bits because you only get one bit. The two bits will probably cost you about $70. So to use it for the week, it would probably cost you close to $350. The pro is if anything happens to the tool, you just return it and it's no problem. You can keep the bits and use them again for the future. But if you're planning to use the tool, say 3 times in the year, that'll probably cost you around $900. Now, if you bought the tool, it's gonna cost you about $800 to buy the tool, $70 for the bits, about $900 with taxes to own it. Obviously, you can't really get insurance for a tool like this. A high quality Makita tool usually lasts for a very long time, so I wouldn't really be concerned about it getting broken anytime soon. One thing many people do not consider is that when you're renting the tool for a period of time, you're driving back and forth to Home Depot or a tool rental place to return it. You won't have to do that if you own it. If you're planning on using it more than 3 times in a year, I suggest you own it instead of renting it. Remember guys, invest in the front end, save in the back end, make a lot of money. I'll see you guys next time. So today, we're going to jack up some of this floor, test out the new tool, and it should be a lot of fun.
Yep. We don't have safety goggles, but we got the Tom Ford to keep your eyes safe.
Tom Ford, sponsor me. Let's go. Just so you know, I can smell how the cat piss seeped into the cement and it's coming out as I'm busting it up.
Terrible.
Yeah.